Happy Father's Day, Pop.
Hey.
This is going to be a presentation for you of a comic book by Isah. Shows you as Super Pop.
Yep.
Okay, what happened first?
Super Pop.
There he is. He's whistling.
He's whistling, walking. He's walking, about to walking into his car to go to the grocery shop.
There's the car.
And then then his phone starts buzzing.
See the phone? Brrring, brrring. Here's Pop.
Hello?
Mm-hmm.
Help!
This is on the other end of the phone. Someone's got a whole bunch of houses on fire. How many houses? All of these are houses on fire?
Yeah, all of those are apartments.
Oh, help, help, they say. And what's Pop say?
Okay.
And then
he comes with a water bottle.
A water bottle. Wow, he really is Super Pop if he can put out all those apartment buildings with one water bottle. Okay, and then what happened?
Then he throws his water bottle, which splits into half and lets out all of the water.
Putting out all the apartment buildings. But look, something's falling on him. Boom.
Boom.
What is it?
Nuclear waste.
Oh no, nuclear waste. And then here is a picture of what the world looks like out of Pop's head. Here's his head, and here's the view out of his two eyes. Very creative. And what does he see?
He sees little blocks.
Okay.
And then he realized that,
hey,
I can fly.
I can fly. There he is.
And then,
flying along.
And then he
There's
sees
a skyscraper.
There's a skyscraper and a bunch of houses.
Okay.
Which are also apartments.
Okay, more apartments. Oh, there he is, showing his big muscles. Super Pop. And what's down here?
And then he tests out.
He's picking up the whole apartment building, huh?
Yes.
And then what's he doing here?
Then he sees a little black thing poking out, watching him.
Uh-oh, watch out.
Then he runs away. This also looks like he's walking.
Yeah, well, he's running. Away from, what's this?
A bad ninja.
A bad ninja. Okay, here's Pop's glasses, looking normal.
And then here's inside of his eyes.
Super Pop with the nuclear waste radiation. Okay. And then what?
And then he transforms into two.
Two Super Pops. 1, 2. He divided. And then again. Divided again.
Four
Super Pops. And then all 4 Super Pops are surrounding the ninja. And the ninja looks very threatening. And he looks like he's pressing a button. What's the button going to do?
You'll see.
We'll see. It's bad. Okay. And then what?
And then a little garage opens up.
And?
Comes out some robots. If you notice, that's the Super Pops have hair. But the robots don't.
Oh, okay. Okay. Super Pops have at least some hair, and the robots have none. Okay. And then what's this?
A bunch of robots walking around. But then one starts to get bigger.
Gets bigger and bigger.
And bigger.
And this next frame is so big, and this frame is so big that you cannot even see the robot. He's too big for the frame. It's a giant growing robot. And then there's Super Pop, right?
Throwing his laser beam eyes.
Oh, burning the giant robot with the laser beam eyes, of course.
Yes.
And then there's a big hole in the giant robot. And then Pop just walks along. La, la, la. Right?
And here's the big robot's foot.
Oh, the big robot's right behind him. Then what happens?
Then he gasps and starts running.
He runs.
And running.
And he runs. And then he gets what is it?
Bat.
He gets a bat. This looks like a fry pan. Okay, and then
he throws it.
Throws it.
It now looks like a bat.
Now it looks like a bat, right? And then we
throws it at all of the robots and knocks them all out.
Wow.
And then he grabs his bat back. And then he was the hero. Of the city.
Look, all the people of Savannah saying, "Yay, Super Pop!" And look at this bad guy. He's
in jail.
All right. The end. All right. And happy Father's Day. And congratulations for being a super pot. There it is.
There's the end sign.